You're watching How Leap. Let's stop Telegram from automatically saving photos and videos to your phone gallery. Open the Telegram app and tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner to open the settings. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, tap on Data and Storage. Now, scroll down to the Media section. Here you will see an option labeled Save Incoming Photos and Save Incoming Videos. By default, these options are usually turned on. To stop automatic saving, simply tap the toggle switch next to each option to turn it off. The switch will turn gray when deactivated. This change applies globally to all your Telegram chats and groups. Once disabled, new photos and videos you receive in chats will only be stored within the Telegram app's internal cache and will not appear in your phone's gallery or camera roll. You can still manually save any media by long pressing on it and selecting Save to Gallery. Your existing saved media will remain in your gallery. This setting only affects future downloads. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.